If you are planning to work in the UK in 2026, this video is very important. The UK has changed several work visa rules, and many jobs that were easy to get before are now restricted or no longer open to new overseas applicants. In this video, I will explain clearly which jobs are still open for foreign workers, which ones are now limited, and how to apply correctly under the new UK rules so you do not waste your time or money. Watch till the end because most information online right now is outdated. In 2025 and moving into 2026, the UK Home Office made major adjustments to the skilled worker visa system. These changes were introduced to reduce overall migration numbers, prioritize workers already inside the UK, increase salary thresholds for sponsorship, limit overseas recruitment in some sectors. Because of this, not all jobs that used to offer sponsorship are still open to new foreign applicants. Now let's talk about the real opportunities that are still available. These sectors are still sponsoring overseas workers when requirements are met. 1. IT and technology roles. The UK continues to face shortages in tech. Common roles include software developers, data analysts, cybersecurity specialists, IT support with experience. These roles often do not require IELTS if the employer accepts alternative proof of English. 2. Engineering and technical roles. High demand remains for mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, maintenance technicians, manufacturing engineers. Many employers are licensed sponsors and still recruit internationally. 3. Construction and skilled trades. Construction remains open but is skill-based. Roles include bricklayers, plumbers, electricians, welders, site supervisors. Experience is more important than degrees in many cases. 4. Logistics and transport. Still hiring due to workforce shortages. Heavy goods vehicle drivers, warehouse supervisors, supply chain coordinators. Entry-level warehouse roles are limited, but experienced positions remain open. 5. Agriculture and seasonal work. These roles operate under separate visa routes. Jobs include farm workers, poultry workers, seasonal crop workers. These visas are time-limited but remain one of the easiest legal entry points. How to apply under the new rules. Step 1. Use official job platforms. Only apply through trusted sources. UK Government Skilled Worker pages. Indeed UK. LinkedIn Jobs. Company career websites. Always check if the employer has a sponsor license. Step 2. Confirm sponsorship eligibility. Before applying, confirm the job meets the required skill level. The salary meets the current threshold. The employer is licensed to sponsor. Never rely on verbal promises. Step 3. Apply directly. UK employers do not charge for visa sponsorship. Avoid agents asking for money. Visa process simplified. Once you receive a job offer, employer issues a certificate of sponsorship. You apply for the visa online. Submit biometrics. Wait for a decision. Processing times vary but are usually within weeks. Tips for success. Use a proper UK-style CV. Apply only to eligible roles. Focus on shortage and skilled occupations. Follow official government updates. Accuracy matters more than speed now. The UK work visa is not closed, but it is no longer easy or open to everyone. If you understand the new rules and apply strategically, opportunities still exist in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure you check the links in the description and explore more opportunities. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.